Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to earn up to $2,000 just to answer questions. And it's going to be so easy to make this kind of money. This is going to be a way where you can earn some really fast PayPal cash because you're going to be paid weekly, twice a week even possibly. So let's get started right now. Alright guys, I'm back. Now since you are on my YouTube channel, I just want to let you know something. If you don't like today's method, you can check out what I do online instead, which is in this video right here, or you could check out this link up top, how to make a big money here. Check that link out because these are going to be programs where you're going to learn how to make much bigger money than what I'm going to show you in today's method. And not only that, you'll be able to earn a passive online income if you use this kind of method. This is kind of thing that I've been using since 2016 and makes me a full-time online income. So I hope you will join me. Okay, don't forget also, since you're on my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can learn a lot more ways to make money online. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my videos come out. Okay, and then if you find this video valuable to you today, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video, and thank you so much for liking my video. Okay, so what I'm going to show you today is pretty cool. Okay, I have not seen this site before. It is going to be brand new for my channel, and this is called Prolific at prolific.co. Okay, no M at the end, just prolific.co. What is this site about? This site is about researching for brands and companies who want to know about consumers and what they think about products and services and stuff like that. But this particular one is not like any other survey sites or anything like that. So don't click away yet. This is worldwide, by the way, worldwide, so that a lot of people can use this, and they do pay out using PayPal, and you could get paid twice a week. Okay, this place pays very well and pays a lot, and I'm going to show you a bunch of payment proof as well. So stick around and watch till the end. Okay, so on this front page, this is going to be more, explaining what they do, and it's going to be more for companies that want to use their service. Like these are the companies that kind of use their service, like Oxford, Harvard, Stanford, Yale. Like you heard of these schools, right? You can find any research participant anywhere in the world, and this is why this is worldwide. Okay, so you don't want to read too much into this page where you want to go because you're a participant. You want to click learn more right here or right here. So this button right here will actually take you to the sign up form, which is right here. This sign up form, you just gotta click I want to take part in studies. Then you're gonna put in your country. So as you can see, big huge list of countries that you can apply from. And then you need a date of birth, just name, email, and password, and then make sure you agree to these things and so forth. Okay. The only other thing I want to mention right here is that you do need to be 18 to sign up. Okay. Now, the other thing I want you to go to is, now that you saw what the sign up form looks like, now you're going to click on learn more. So when you click on learn more, you're going to get this page where you're going to learn more about being a participant. Okay, so join us on our mission to improve human knowledge. Researchers want to understand how people feel, think, and behave. And then here you're going to get cash paid and no silly points or prize draws. And you don't need a PhD to do this because it's very, very simple. The other thing that people rave about the site is that they actually use your profile description. So in this particular one, make sure that your profile, it is as accurate as possible, because you will be picked based on that. And not a lot of surveys or research studies that you're not going to get disqualified. That is what's so special about the site, is that you're going to get less and less of those types of surveys where you go try a survey and then you find out that you disqualify. It is not like that here at Prolific. So that's one of the big pluses that people are saying online about the site. And so I want to make sure I have that in my video, because people get so frustrated when they start a survey and then they don't qualify after they spent time in it. So not here. They're going to actually make sure that you're going to qualify, or if you don't qualify, the chances are very slim as opposed to other sites. Okay, how does participating in studies work? You could get started in minutes. You sign up, answer some screening questions, so make sure this stuff is accurate here. Okay, and take part in interesting online surveys and studies from top universities and companies. Okay, is that simple? What kinds of studies are there? There's going to be surveys, games, or studies about scientific research, new products, or public opinion. From minutes to hours or to multi-part studies over long periods. These will go and pay a lot more, okay? These ones, I just want to give you that tip because I was reading some stuff online. They say, you know, you get these multi-part ones, you're going to earn a lot more. And it's always up to you what you choose, what you want to participate in, and how much you're going to get paid. A minimum of $6.50 per hour. It doesn't sound like that great, but I'm going to show you some payment proof that people have had paid out to them. So you do get to kind of earn a decent size of a side money, a good side hustle this would be, okay? And so I'm going to show you some payment proof in a second. And so you sign up for free anytime and earn in minutes. And there's already a lot of people. Oh, the other thing that I did read about is that when you do get surveyed, you gotta answer them very fast or else it's gonna be gone. That's how popular this site is at this time. So, okay, who can participate in the studies at Prolific? Now, I had told you it's worldwide and it's going to be 18 and up. This list will change all the time, but right now this is the list of countries. But I wouldn't go by this list because it hasn't been updated for over a year or almost a year. So I would just apply and then see what happens, okay? And then getting paid. How do I get paid? You're going to get paid through PayPal, and you're going to only need a minimum of £5. This is not going to be hard to fill out. You know, this is the minimum cash out that you need, which is a very low. So if I convert this to US dollars, guys, it's like maybe $7 or something like that. $6.28. It's gonna be your minimum payout for this site Prolific. Okay, so and they pay out every Tuesday and Friday afternoon. So this is super quick pay since they're paying twice a week. So it depends on how many studies that you qualify for and you get to respond to. And if you can respond quickly, that is, because these studies do go fast, like I said. So here I'm going to show you some payment proof. So all the payment proof is from Reddit because there's a lot of payment proof on Reddit. So I just went through a few of these. So this person have been using it every month, and this person be averaging about that much per month. And this person made from basically May to end of June, 110 almost. And 110 here, this is a monthly capture. And this one says that they earned $550 this month alone and have made a total of $2,000, and they only signed up a few months ago. So this site definitely pays out, as you can see from several people. They are getting paid, but however, you can tell that this kind of site can be inconsistent with the amount of money you can earn because you can only get a few studies a month, right? You can't control how many you can do. So in that sense, you may not earn consistently. So if you want to earn consistently and you want to earn a lot more money that you can actually depend on, like a full-time passive income, then check out the link below this video. It's going to be the first link. Check out that first link, and it's going to be a program where you can learn online skills and learn a way where you could earn a lot more money and really develop an online business for yourself, make a lot more money that you can depend on. So that's something that I've been using since 2016. So I hope you follow my path. This is something that I've been doing and it's been going great for me. I love doing, I love using this business model because I can work on my own schedule. but earn any time of the day, which I really love. So I hope you will follow my path and check out that first link in my video description, and I hope I see you there. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. I come out with videos every single week, but I have no idea when they come out. So get notified, okay? So I hope I see you on the next one. Bye.